Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Saturday, July 12, 2025. Our daily gospel, St. Matthew chapter 10, verses 24 to 33. We will just read the very core of our message in verse 28. And do not fear those who kill the body but cannot kill the soul. Rather, fear him who can destroy both soul and body in hell. Huwag ninyong katakutan ng pumapatay ng katawan, ngunit hindi nakapapatay ng kaluluwa. Sa halip, ang katakutan ninyo ay ang nakapapatay ng kaluluwa at katawan sa impyerno. The Gospel of the Lord, our message, the fear of God, ang takot sa Diyos. First, when you are not afraid and ashamed to share and proclaim to anyone and publicly the kingdom of heaven, the gospel of truth for the sake of Jesus Christ. Kapag hindi ka natatakot at nahihiya na ibahagi at ipahayag sa sinuman at sa publiko ang kaharian ng langit, ang ebanghelyo ng katotohanan alang-alang kay Jesucristo. Second, when you are not afraid to be persecuted, humiliated, and killed for your faith in Jesus Christ. Kapag hindi ka natatakot na uusigin, ipahiya at patayin dahil sa iyong pananampalataya kay Jesucristo. Third, when you are not afraid to not hide but happily and openly show your longing and love for God regardless of what others say and do for the love of Jesus Christ. Kapag hindi ka natatakot na huwag itago, ngunit masaya at lantarang ipakita ang iyong pananabik at pagmamahal sa Diyos, anuman ang sinasabi at ginagawa ng iba para sa pag-ibig ni Jesucristo. Good morning and God bless us all.